Hey Trenton, I created this a little more detailed spreadsheet that we can use. If you would, if you want to, I could show you how to share this with Mars, the manager over there. I don't have his email, and if he could fill out like this: the vendor SKU, the vendor cost, the vendor description. But actually, they don't call them SKUs; they call them point numbers. Point number, and then we'll fill this stuff in later for inventory. He could do these three things here: the point number, this cost, and then the description. You might even have a name if he wants to do it too. I mean, it's totally up to him. Vendor name. We could do this. If possible, we don't have to have all of that, but it would be nice if we could get it. Vendor cost. Anyhow, so you could. This is the stuff you did. Quantities, blah blah blah. All this needs to be populated. We got this done. If you could do these 4 columns, I mean, all you got to do is go to share. It's got anyone with the link already. Just type in whatever his name is. We don't have his information from the Mars Electric guy. Type it in there, and then just send it, and it'll say, "Are you sure you want to send?" You just say yes. So why don't you do that? If he's willing to open it up, he can actually do it right in here, which really would be nice if they type all the information in here for us. That way we can just take this and import it into Titanium. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Bye.